Episode 3. Cube. This is a cube. C-U-B-E, cube. An example of cube is Rubik's Cube. Cuboid. This is a cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. An example of cuboid is a refrigerator. Sphere. This is a sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. An example of sphere is a basketball. Pyramid. This is a pyramid. P-Y-R-A-M-I-D, pyramid. An example of pyramid is the Great Pyramid of Giza. Cylinder. This is a cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. An example of cylinder is a log. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.